So before we jump into how this all works, I think a good place for us to start is to discuss what we're going to need to build an AI assistant for our email. So the first thing that we're going to need is some sort of business process automation tool. And this is what is going to connect all of the different systems that we're going to be using, as there are many different tools involved in the process. And the next thing we're going to need is some sort of database of questions and answers, right? And the reason that we need this is that the system is going to use the commonly used questions and answers that we provide it to craft a response to our emails. So we need to provide it that context to allow it to do a good job. And next, we're going to need an LLM with API access. So a large language model is the AI brain that we are going to be using to write the messages. And we're also going to need to connect to it via an API, which is just a way for different systems to speak to each other and exchange data. Next, we're going to need a vector database. And this is a special type of database that allows us to store data in a format that large language models understand. They think mathematically in terms of vectors. We need to make sure that our data is stored in the way that an LLM thinks. And finally, we're going to need an email account, of course. And that's it. So let's go through the ones that we're going to be using. So for the business process automation, we're going to be using N8N. I think it's the best business process automation tool on the market. It's extremely powerful for those that are non-technical and technical people alike. I won't go into all the details, but N8N is what we're going to be using, and I think it is the best on the market. The LLM we're going to be using is provided by OpenAI. You'll need a developer account to get an API key to query the big brains programmatically. And for storing all of the data in a vector database, we're going to be using Pinecone. There are loads of different vector databases, but I like Pinecone and I think it works well. Right, so the first thing that we're going to need is a list of questions and answers that we're going to store in a .csv file, right? And as you can see, we're looking at some question answers for a coach that I did some work for. What we're going to need to do is convert them into a format that can be understood by the LLM. And so we would need to create the vectors. And so here we've got a bit of code. And what this code is going to do is take our CSV and then send it to OpenAI, the LLM, and then OpenAI is going to return the vectors that we need, and then we are going to save those vectors into another CSV. And then once we run that code, we're going to get the embeddings attached to the CSV. And so when we search the vector database for a question answer pair, what we are actually going to be searching is the embeddings. This is a language that the LLMs are going to understand. And this is what is going to allow us to find the question answer pair that we need to respond to our email. Now, once we've created this file, the next thing that we're going to need to do is upload the embeddings into our vector database. And so we have another script here, and this script is going to upload all of the embeddings into the vector database. And then once we've done that, we are ready to build our automation, right? And so let's go over how this automation works. And the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to get all of our emails from Gmail and then go over all of the emails and first label them as process attempted so that we can keep track of which emails have gone through this process. We've got this prompt here, and what we are asking the AI to do is to classify our email into one of these categories. So we've got customer reply, customer query, spam marketing, out of office reply, acknowledgement or thanks, an internal team message, or another non-actionable item. And then we are also going to provide it with the email subject and the email body. Right? And then what's going to happen is it's going to let us know if that email has been classified as a customer query, because we only want to deal with customer queries. And so for any email that comes back as a customer query, we are going to convert it into the language that our vector database and the AI can understand, and then do a search in our database for all entries that are similar to our email. And once we get back the question answer pairs that are similar to our email, we're going to send another message to OpenAI and ask it to draft our email. Then the LLM is going to write the email and create a draft in our Gmail and then finally tag our email, right? So there are different steps involved to make this work, but it runs automatically in the background. So I'm going to run this automation and then I'm going to cut to show you the results. So as you can see, we now have some drafts in our inbox. Let's open them up and see if any good. Hello, I'm comparing a few coaches and wonder, what does your standard coaching package include? Do you offer ad hoc one-off sessions? All right, so I can see that we have 2 answers, which is great. Thank you for reaching out. The standard coaching package includes bi-weekly 60-minute sessions over a 3-month period, along with unlimited email support in between sessions. Each engagement is tailored to your specific goals, and we typically begin by identifying key focus areas so you can track progress meaningfully over time. Great. Yes, I also offer ad hoc one-off sessions if you're looking for support on something more immediate or specific. These are 60 minutes as well and follow the same confidential, goal-oriented approach. So I think that is a great response. And then we have it. We have our AI drafts, which are ready to be edited and sent. I think they look great. So that's an overview of how you can build your own AI assistant to help you with getting back to emails faster. If you would like to implement something like this for yourself or your business, you can reach out and I will be happy to discuss how a system like this or similar can help you get through your emails a lot faster. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, follow, or subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.